Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very, very good morning to you all. It is my pleasure to be here today and take part in this event. First of all, I would like to thank Bloomberg for organizing this exciting conference and for inviting me to share with you my thoughts on developing a financial system for the future. It is a timely and important topic, as I am sure that most of us have been pondering how, in this age of disruptions, the financial system will develop to support economic growth while at the same time preserve financial stability. Ladies and gentlemen, in this VUCA world of high volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity, Thailand's economy, like other emerging markets, is facing new challenges. Monetary policy normalization in advanced economies, record high debt levels in many parts of the world, stretched global asset valuation, and risks of an all-out trade war are posing immediate challenges to the stability of our financial systems. At the same time, technology disruption, aging society, and growing income inequality are also presenting structural challenges to many emerging economies, including Thailand. Against this backdrop, the Bank of Thailand has the duty not only to preserve and maintain economic and financial stability, but also to develop our financial system so that it can effectively unlock Thailand's economic potential, uplift productivity, and bring about more inclusive growth for the future. For the Bank of Thailand, maintaining economic and financial stability is a prerequisite for sustainable growth. Thus far, the Thai macroeconomic outlook remains favorable, with the economy expected to grow 4.4% this year, the highest since 2012. Additionally, the Thai economy has adequate buffers to withstand any immediate challenges, with ample international reserves covering 3.5 times our short-term external debt, low dependency on external borrowing, and current account surplus of around 8 to 9% of GDP. Moreover, our banking sector is robust, with high capital adequacy ratio and stable domestic funding. In the first quarter of 2018, the BIS ratio of the banking system averaged 17.5%, among the highest in the region. To further safeguard financial stability, additional micro and macro-prudential measures were introduced, such as the regulations on domestic systemically important banks, or DSIBs in short, along with more stringent regulations on credit cards and personal loans to tackle household debt challenges. The Bank of Thailand recently revised regulations to enhance financial institutions' corporate governance, with emphasis starting at the board of directors level. Meanwhile, in collaboration with the Thai Bankers Association, we established a debt clinic to offer multi-creditor debt restructuring program for troubled individuals. Another initiative ongoing is to work with other agencies to enhance supervision of saving cooperatives, as well as other non-bank entities which do bank-like business to mitigate shadow banking risks. Ladies and gentlemen, amidst the structural challenges facing the Thai economy, the Bank of Thailand has stepped up our stewardship role by providing policy directions and ensuring that the financial system develops with the sustainable well-being of the Thai people as the main goal. Taking advantage of the rapid advancements in technology, which has become increasingly more powerful and more affordable, we have focused on three key imperatives of productivity, immunity, and inclusivity to guide the development of our financial system for the future. First, uplifting productivity is a critical requirement for long-term economic growth. One of the main challenges Thailand is facing is structural change due to an aging workforce. Moreover, our labor productivity growth has been on a decline, with growth rate of labor productivity averaging 2.9% during 2000 to 2017, compared with an average of about 5% during 1986 to 2001. A shrinking workforce and low labor productivity growth will pose a challenge to Thailand's long-term economic growth prospect. To ensure sustainable growth for our economy, we must become more productive. Undoubtedly, proactive adoption of modern technology will be the key to achieve this goal. Second, immunity must be emphasized given the VUCA nature of the future global economic landscape. We are living in a time of disruptions where outcomes can be unpredictable and volatile, bringing with them new forms of risks. Not only will firms face risks related to finance and operations, but they will also face strategic risks and risks associated with driving digital transformation. All these uncertainties necessitate that building sufficient immunity becomes a key factor to safeguard resilience of our economy and our financial system. Third, inclusivity is a prerequisite for long-term sustainable growth. Any policy or action that does not pay attention to inclusivity can threaten long-term growth and stability. In many emerging economies, income inequality is a significant cause of economic and social instability and could lead to widespread support of populist policies. Unbanked and underserved people need to have access to financial services which can help them raise their standards of living. Emergence of fintech and tech-fin firms, along with their diverse platforms, can offer more targeted financial products at lower costs and improve financial access, especially to the underserved people. Ladies and gentlemen, to fulfill these three key imperatives, the Bank of Thailand has taken on various initiatives during the past few years. On boosting productivity, we have many exciting projects underway. Last year, the Bank of Thailand, together with the Ministry of Finance and the Thai Bankers Association, launched the PromptPay faster payment infrastructure. With PromptPay, funds can be transferred to a recipient's preferred bank account in real time and at virtually no cost. PromptPay provides a crucial payment infrastructure which helps propel a wider adoption of electronic payment. Currently, there are almost 43 million registered user accounts and over 3 million transactions per day. The increasing usage of PromptPay also served as a catalyst that led all banks in Thailand to eliminate electronic fund transfer fees for online retail transactions. Besides, being a common infrastructure, PromptPay has also paved ways for many other digital payments features, including cross-bank bill payment, request to pay, as well as electronic donation services. Another initiative to promote digital payment service is the standardized QR code for payment. Launched in collaborations with the 5 major global payment card network providers, Thailand's standardized QR code for payment allows acceptance of common QR code for electronic payment on any platforms, regardless of merchants and consumer service providers. Its interoperability has led to remarkable speed of adoption. In less than 1 year since its launch, QR code payment is accepted by over 2 million merchants all over Thailand. More importantly, having common standards would improve competition and innovation as they allowed easy market entry for new players, especially small, innovative players. Ultimately, greater adoption of digital payment will help facilitate the transformations from collateral-based lending to information-based lending for SMEs, as their payment transactions information can be consolidated and analyzed. In addition, the Bank of Thailand also supports financial innovation through our regulatory sandbox. The sandbox serves as a platform for financial institutions and fintech firms to test new technologies and operating standards, in a safe environment before the products and services are launched to the general public. Technologies under review in the sandbox include biometrics for electronic know your customers, machine learning for alternative credit scoring models, and blockchain applications for cross-border payments, supply chain financing, and document authentication. Another way in which productivity is being enhanced is through improving regional financial connectivity. Recent efforts by banks in the region to partner and adopt the Thai QR code standard for payment and blockchain applications for cross-border payments are a few examples of how financial innovations can help improve regional financial connectivity and facilitate smoother cross-border financial services. Let me now turn to building immunity, which is a significant imperative for the future VUCA world. With the vast amount of data and modern analytical tools available, resilience can be significantly improved. For example, banks can use transactional data to better forecast customers' credit demand and credit risks. Regulatory agencies can analyze financial connectedness through network analysis to detect risk events and safeguard financial stability. The Bank of Thailand has employed a number of big data analytics to detect early signals of imbalances in our economy and respond preemptively should risks arise. Additionally, in this increasingly digital environment, cyber resilience and cyber security must be a top priority, and all of us must be prepared to prevent and respond effectively to cyber threats. Adoption of modern technologies like biometrics and blockchains can help safeguard financial information and reduce the number and magnitude of fraudulent activities. In our part, last year, the Bank of Thailand, in collaboration with 15 Thai banks and the Electronic Transactions Development Agencies, or EDDA in short, set up the Thailand Banking Sector Computer Emergency Response Team, or Thai Banking Sector CERT, as a platform for banks and regulators to share information on cyber incidents and build standards and capacity for IT personnel to handle new threats. Furthermore, to ensure that our legal framework fits with the current digital environment and can keep up with new innovations, the Bank of Thailand had proposed the new Payment System Act, which became effective in April of this year. The Act unifies previously fragmented payment laws and regulations and empowers the Bank of Thailand to oversee development of the Thai payment systems and regulate new payment innovations and players. Moreover, our supervisory guidelines on management of information technology risks have also been updated to ensure that banks have appropriate governance structure in place and can swiftly respond in the event of cyber attacks. These developments will contribute to a safer environment for both service providers and customers. On inclusivity, despite high level of financial access in Thailand relative to other emerging countries, financial inclusion remains one of our top priorities. Various measures to promote financial inclusion have been implemented, and many more are in the pipeline. The Bank of Thailand and the Thai Bankers Association will soon launch the basic banking account scheme to improve financial access for vulnerable groups, especially those in the lower income brackets. The basic banking account has no minimum balance requirement and offers free ATMs and debit cards to those who qualify. The scheme is expected to roll out by October of this year. The Bank of Thailand is also undergoing regulatory reform to review outdated rules and regulations, to facilitate ease of doing business and ensure that our regulations do not impede competition and innovation and contribute to high costs of financial services. We started last year with foreign exchange regulations and are now reviewing banking regulations to improve digital banking environment and SME financing. In addition, the current backdrop of high household debt in Thailand and the need to improve individuals' financial safety net necessitate an overall improvement in financial literacy as well as financial planning skills. We have also tightened our market conduct regulations to ensure that smooth selling is minimized and financial institutions provide fair and transparent products and services. Given the growing importance of digital technology for financial services, we must also make sure that those with lower skills can reap the benefits that technology brings to avoid digital divide. Last but not least, creating a financial ecosystem that values sustainability is critical to ensure that the Thai financial system of the future can continue to develop in such a way that would benefit all segments of the Thai society and create minimum negative externalities. Later this month, the Bank of Thailand will host the first Bangkok Sustainable Banking Forum. The event will allow industry leaders to learn from one another and showcase their efforts and services to promote sustainability and highlight areas we must improve. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bank of Thailand is committed in our duty to maintain economic and financial stability amidst this VUCA environment and future disruptions. We are also committed to supporting the adoption of financial technology and promoting financial innovations to develop a financial system for the future that will improve productivity, immunity, and inclusivity. Such a financial system will unlock our economic potential, ensure sustainable economic growth, and improve the well-being of our people. The Bank of Thailand is also committed to supporting regional financial connectivity through collaborations with other central banks, public agencies, and the private sector. Together, we can fulfill our vast potential, build strong safeguards against unintended consequences of disruptions, and develop a strong and inclusive financial system for the future. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and I wish you a successful conference. Thank you.